Now I am.
Did you just record me saying that?
No.
Oh my gosh. No pushing, no pushing.
No pushing.
Good job. Oh!
Uh-oh.
Oh!
What's I think?
Take a shortcut. Alright, go get the girls.
Does them while I'm taping. Oh, you want me to tape the girls?
Yeah.
Okay, time for it. Look, this is how we wear them down before church tomorrow. Oh. Jordan's not wearing down. Oh, there we go. Who needs toys? Who needs games? We have a footstool in the living room. Let's go see where the girls are. Where the girls are. Hey girls, what you doing?
We made this in school for you.
Aww. Pass it on.
That's from Ayla.
Oh, it's for me?
Yeah, and that's from Ayla.
You guys. Aww.
We have to do it.
Come here.
Give me a hug.
No, I'm not. This is a video.
Let's see. Oh, it's
Come and give me a hug.
Yes, it's on.
Oh my gosh! I take you the video.
Say, I'm ready for my close-up.
I'm ready for my close-up.
Aren't you cute?
And there it is.
What are you guys doing? Are you like
We're
class?
school. We're doing biography.
Biography?
Biography.
How old are you?
I'm 8 and Mushy 5.
She's 6.
Must she be? She'll be 6 in April.
Oh, really?
Mhm.
And must my pencil break in half? No, it may not.
What language?
And Ayla is silly. I can't take it.
Alright, well, say goodbye.
Okay, no more throwing of the pencils.
Say goodbye to the camera.
Okay, say goodbye.
Don't take the camera. Look at my booty.
Okay, that's enough of the booty.
Okay,
No more
that's good.
booty.